How to add background music to Instagram Reel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Click on the plus sign at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Reel at the bottom, and then select the video you want to add music to. Then click on the music sign at the bottom. Here you'll find different musics available on Instagram. Select the one you prefer and click on the arrow at the bottom right. Now you can choose the part you want by swiping it right or left, and then press on Done. Then press on Next, and you can simply press on Next and then share it. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to add background music to Instagram Reel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.